How to fix your life. Life isn't always easy. We all face setbacks, challenges, and moments where we feel lost. But the good news, you have the power to turn the things around. In this video, we will explore the simple yet powerful steps you can take to start fixing your life today. So let's begin. The first step is fixing your life is to acknowledge where you are. Reflection is a key. Take a moment to understand your current situation. What is going on? What isn't? Don't judge yourself. Just observe. Accepting where you are is not giving up. It's just a first step towards the change. What truly matters to you? Your values shape your decision and your happiness. Write them down. It could be a family, health, career, or personal growth. Knowing your values helps you to make choices that align with your authentic self, making it easier to stay positive. Now that you know your values, it's time to set goals that reflect them. Start small, be specific, and break them down into manageable steps. Instead of saying, I want to be a healthier, try, I'll walk for 30 minutes every day. Clear and achievable goals give you direction and purpose. It's easy to blame others or circumstances for where we are, but the true transformation starts with you. Take responsibility for your actions, mistakes, and successes. Once you own your choices, you empower yourself to make changes. Remember, your life is in your hands. Small positive habits compound over time and lead to big results. Start by introducing one new healthy habit. Maybe it's waking up early, drinking more water, or exercise regularly. As you build these habits, you'll notice changes in your mindset, energy, and productivity. Holding on to past mistakes, regrets, or toxic relationships can keep you stuck. It's time to let go, meditate, forgive yourself, and forgive others. Letting go frees up emotion space, allowing you to focus on your future. You deserve peace. Build a support system. No one should have to go through life's challenges alone. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift you, whether it's friends, family, or mentors. A strong support system can provide guidance, motivation, and encouragement when you need it the most. Embrace failure and keep going. Failure isn't the end, it's just stepping stone towards success. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace failure, don't fear it. The most successful people have failed more than 10 times. It's persistence that wins. Remember, practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's present. Take time each day to reflect on what you are grateful for. It could be your healthy relationships or even small amounts of joy. Gratitude cultivates positivity, helping you the good in the life. Even on tough days, keep evolving and never settle. Life is a journey of consistent evolution. Never stop learning, growing, or challenging yourself. Seek new experiences, develop new skills, and never settle for the good enough. You have infinity potential. Always keep pushing the boundaries of you're capable of. Last but not the least, remember, fixing your life isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Take it one step at a time and trust the process. You have the power to change your life, starting now. Thanks for watching it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content.